What's up everybody, Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to go over how to sum a column in Excel. We'll also do a row, but we're going to do them both pretty quickly. So there's several ways you can do it. First one, the easiest, you just go equals, click this, and hit that plus key, and you can click each one. It's a little tedious, but as you're going to see, it'll work. So we just do this, click plus, and then hit enter. There it is. The other one, you do equals sum. You can double click that and just select whatever you want. Close those parentheses and hit enter. And the other one you can do, this is called the auto sum feature. So if you go here and you're going to hold the alt and hit equals. So hold that alt key, press the equals key, and hit enter. There you go. This one's going to automatically detect where the numbers are next to you. It works pretty well. Now if you only wanted this one, maybe there was a date here, you could just grab this blue box here, and all you would do is you shrink it down a little bit and drag it up. There you go. Look, the way you do it for a row is the same thing. First we'll do equals, click plus, and so on. Then we can do equals, sum, select it all, enter, or you can go right here, hold alt, hit equals, it picks up the numbers, and hit enter. There you go. The cool thing with either of them is you can do, let's say this was $50. You change it, they all update. Change it back, with Control Z, they all update. And that's pretty much it. So 2 minutes, now you can sum columns and rows in Excel. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.